So just arrived in the mailbox, a new leaflet on the cultural, social and economic impact of the University of Pisa. The preparation of this has been coordinated by my colleague Corrado Priami. This is what insiders call the third mission of the university, and nobody outside universities understands what a third mission is. Is everything basically except teaching and research. But let's look inside. Foundation year 1343, the famous alumni, the really famous alumni, and then important themes: sustainability, which is growing in importance, and of course it is part of the social impact mainly. Entrepreneurial culture and training, to promote entrepreneurship and innovation through education and training. Some additional numbers: 1,600 faculty members, 1,600 staff, 46,000 students, 1,200 PhD students. Look at this: 30 million in international projects, 10 million euros in national projects, 9 million euros in industrial projects per year. The talent activities, career service and the lifelong learning, to stay in touch with students also after they get a degree. The industrial relationships, the E4 strategy. This has been coined by Corrado: education, experiment, exit and exit, to foster the growth of new companies. Public engagement in the local environment, and then, start a tractor. Stay tuned. This is new.